Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Robin and today I'm going to be doing a little bit different video. I'm going to be trying on everything I've ever made or flipped for you guys. I've been doing it for a while, but I haven't been making videos for that long, so I figured you might want to see what I've made in the past. This is my little kitty Strider. He came to say hey. Hi!
Tripping on your pale lights, me and you forever blind. You drive me crazy, baby. Oh, you make the moon blue, baby. I'm yours. Yeah, you breathe fire, baby. Oh, you make me howl, yeah, baby. I'm yours. Stay forever wild. We move all over, light up every corner, dancing, smoking, plain sight, scheming, dreaming, breathing fire. We're made of stardust, shining high on love drops, riding just to stay wild, roaming, howling in the night. You drive me crazy, baby. Oh, you make the moon blue, baby. I'm yours.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for some more DIY upcycling action. And the next time I post, I'll be in Seattle. So, new exciting city. Get ready, get hype. I'll see you there.